What's up YouTube, this is a new video on DEKO 2 channel. Before we get started, don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video anywhere. And if you want to work with me, you can contact me in description. I'm making beats, you can tell me any type you want and I will work on it, and with a good price. So today I'm gonna show you a new back I made, 200 beats back. Okay, I made like last period like 200 beats, and this is exclusive back, 200 beats, wave and stems. If you buy it, you will receive a wave and stems with high quality. And I made this video, like some beats from the back in this video as a demo, you know. And if you want to buy this back, you can contact me in the description, Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook. And you can make your album, not just one album, you can make like 5 albums with this back. That's crazy. And I will let this link too in description, you can listen the beats. This one is insane too, bro. This one is deep. And here is a video. If you wanna get these beats back, you can contact me in description on Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook. And yeah, I'm DEKO from DEKO 2 channel. Peace.